What's up guys, it's NoyTebs here. So today we're going to unbox this wireless magnetic for the cell phone charger. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so to be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go, guys. Again, I have here I ordered from Amazon, and it is a MagSafe charger for iPhone. So from iPhone 12 to the newest one. So there you go. Again, this is not a sponsored vlog. I just got this MagSafe from the Amazon. So we will see about this. So, but again, according to here, it says that it's a fast charger for iPhones, and again, it is a universal capability. And then we'll see if how it works for this one, and save 30 minutes charging time as 15 watts max speed. Okay, so there you go. We're gonna see. And again, this is about $17 in Amazon. You can buy this one. We'll see how it works. There you go. So what's in a box is their manual. Very straightforward. And again, it's a USB. And this is the MagSafe. Okay, so again, comes with the good thing for this one here, guys, is that they have a adapter of USB and USB-C. Actually, this is a USB-C, and then it comes with the USB-C to USB adapter. So, but again, it's really good. Thank you so much for having this one here. I don't need to buy. Actually, I prepared one. I got it from my other phone, so I got this USB-C. But this one here, it comes with that one. And again, I just bought a new case for my iPhone. Yeah, so again, it's really good. So look at that. It's really what is that? It's enhanced magnetic ring. So at the back of my phone, it comes with those that circle, and then again, it will. Wow! Oops! I thought it's so heavy, but yeah, it's really good. I thought it's the magnetic ring, enhanced magnetic ring. There you go. So again, we're gonna try. We're gonna try if this will work. And again, if you have a USB charger, so you can use that one, and then I'm gonna try to plug it in here on the side. There you go. It works. There you go. It works. Ta-dang! So it's me. So again, for $17 for this, actually in Amazon, it is how much are they? They are $17. Yeah, $17 in Amazon. And again, it's a really good one. It's really cool. You can put it on the table if you want, and then just put your phone, or you can also use your AirPods. No, I think the AirPods for 1 and 2, or 2 and 3 or 4, you can use this one here too. There you go. So again, for this MagSafe charger for $17, why not? I think in Amazon they have an extra 10% if you're going to buy 2 or more. So again, I'm gonna try to put the link on the description, so you can click that one, so you can try it, and you'll see. So far it works. So they have different color for this. They have they have black, they have white, they have pink. So again, they have a variety of color for this charger. So again, it's very easy, very straightforward when you use this. So again, now it's still charging. So while you're doing some editing or whatever, you can put it on charger while waiting for, and then just put it in the desk, do your computer thing, and you're good to go. So, but anyway, again, guys, I hope you enjoy watching my video right now. It's a very short video. And again, if you are not yet subscribing, please do subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on this channel. And also, I have lots of videos here so you can watch. And again, it's a really good one for me. So, and then they have those things, and yeah, very straightforward. So again, thank you guys for watching. This is NoyTebs. God bless and have a wonderful day.